Hello, my name is Rampokar Chaudhary. Today I am teach how to create SpringBoot uh, MySQL connection. Okay, now let's start. First of all, create a local host. Open a local host php myadmin. Create a database. Create a table name table name apps app app users and three columns. Go. Okay. ID, first name, last name, varchar 30 integer, primary key, okay, auto increment, and then okay, the table name is app users. No any data. Okay, no problem. Okay, in structure integer primary key. Okay, insert first ram pukar mukesh chaudhary. Okay, go down. I have two records. Okay, IntelliJ. Okay, now start spring.io and then start spring initialization. Click com.developer and now Spring MySQL and web MySQL JPA. Okay, now right mouse click. Okay, your ID is opening. Open, right mouse click, then cut. No problem. Okay, close. Now here is your project, your folder. First of all, now right mouse click and show in directive. Now paste, extract. Very good. Now almost done. Okay, minimize, file, open. Okay, done. Okay, select your project name, open a new name, this one. Yes, no problem. Few minutes wait. Okay, dependency already downloaded. Now start. First of all, right mouse click, new, and now create a package. Controllers, right mouse click, then create a pojo main controller now, and then right mouse click @controller and another public 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 model and view. This is Spring features, and do home, no problem. Model and view mv new model and view and index dot just index, no problem. Okay, and return mv. Perfect. Okay, now let's start. Right mouse click and then run. Come on. Okay, sorry. Embedded. Something is missing. Okay, no problem. Okay, first of all, open your dependency, and now this is my main dependency. Right, Control C, and then go to pump and just click and then paste. Okay, automatically. Okay, enable automatically imported. Okay, if sometime you are not refreshing, then click on this button. Okay, and then next step almost done, and next step resources means Java. Right mouse click new, and then directive, and directive is a web app, and another right mouse click new, and another web inf. This is the GSP, and then another folder JSP, just GSP. Oh, view folder, and next right mouse click new and just file index dot ht no GSP. Okay, now this is a web application. Okay, and now once configuration application properties, I have already written. Okay, this is okay, this is web ini JSP blah blah blah, and this is a connection is a localhost php blah 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 MySQL, my name just java underscore db. Okay, and now okay, restart your rerun. Come on. Okay, boom, perfect. Localhost, boom. Okay, something, no message available, no problem. Okay, what happened? Damn it. At the rate request mapping, and then alright, okay, redeploy. Okay. Perfect. This is web application. Okay. Next step. First of all, create your model. Now, right mouse click, new, and package. Package name is just models. And now, right mouse click, new, and just pose it. Like app users. This is model name. Here is your model. Here is your model. App name. Okay. Now, right click. And next step. At the rate no public int id, public string first name, no first name, and then public string last name. Done. Then right mouse and generated getter and setter. Cool. Okay, getter and setter. Okay, okay, getter and setter. Almost done. Now annotation like entities and table okay, name just app users, no problem. And then here at the rate id and at the rate generated value and strategy auto commit and automatically, and another just at the rate column and okay, sorry, if I receive first name and another at the rate volume it's last name. This is a table name, no problem. And okay, what is this? Name and then okay, and then yes, start. Right mouse click, generated, and the constructor, nothing new, just constructor, empty constructor. Another right mouse click and again generated and constructor, and that time you can use both two selected. Okay, now then you're completed. Okay, and right mouse click model, yeah, you can use another repository. Okay, app users repo. Sorry, big mistake. That time you can use just interface. Right mouse click, interface, app users repo interface, and extend CRUD repository, and here is use app users and integer. Almost done. And now right mouse can, first of all I have two records. Here I have two records. Okay, now at the rate app user app users app user repo. user. Okay. And some error, and enter. Sorry. Oh, damn it. Controller. Sorry. Okay. There. Tab repo, and then you can use auto while. Now very interesting, mv dot add object, and then list. Now and then app repo dot find find all. Done. Okay, and then you can use here's HTML. W3SC school. Okay. HTML, learning HTML, and then it's basic HTML. Copy and then paste. Okay, then head title SpringBoot prod, and now delete. Okay, I have already used GSTL. GSTL I will pump. GSTL. Okay, GSTL. Another index, and now you can use table. And then try yourself. Just copy and then paste. Okay, no problem. Title SpringBoot. Yes, and then ID. First name, last name, and delete. And then another just empty field. GSTL for each. Okay, copy like this, and now paste in your header. Where is your header? No problem. And now you have already just list. Okay, and then I have already for each blah 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 that copy, copy, and then copy, and then paste. And sometime, okay, what is your controller, and you just copy list. Okay, and here right now dollar and list id and dollar list first name, first first name, list last name. Okay, your first name last name here like this, first name last name, first name blah blah blah. This is the field name, first name last name. Okay, now redeploy, paste and redeploy. Now okay, close. Ram Puka blah blah blah, and then here is a Ram Puka Mukesh Chaudhary. Ram Puka, this is my brother. Okay, next stop. Next, first of all, how to save, then form. Form HTML. Okay, now try this and just click for copy, and now paste, and now action method post, post, and action just save. Save first name last name. Oh, miracle. Okay, value is not required. Value is not required. Oh, see, name, no problem. Name, okay, no problem. Okay, first name last name, and then go to controller, and now right now Control C, Control V, and the save and save method. Request param and string name here, first name string, first name @request param, last name and string last name. Okay, almost done. And now app users new app users. okay, app users, and then users dot set first name and first name, users dot set last name, and then last name. Okay. And repository control V is not required. Okay, not required. Dot save, and then users. Perfect. Okay, now redirect index page. Blah blah blah. First name, last name, last name. Okay, first name, last name. Okay, conventional name. First name, last name. Blah blah blah. Save, and then value this one, and blah blah blah. Okay, now start redeploy. Sorry some sorry blah blah, first name, last symbolic, first name, last name, blah. Okay, here is the problem. Parameter, if I achieve first name is string first name. First name redeploy. Sorry. My English is very poor. Boom. Enter. Now Rajesh is my friend. Rajesh Maharjan. Rajesh Maharjan. Perfect. This is my friend. Amit Arya. Niral Sakya. Okay, now and another next example. View, right mouse and then click view.jsp. Paste, and then I don't know what to do, and that time you get deleted all data and table dd id first name and then delete, and now delete. first name, and then first name list dot first first name list okay, almost done. And then now one button href, and then nothing, index, sometime you go to controller and then right mouse control key, and then view slash id, and now delete view, and it is not required view page, and it's not required, and mv dot add attribute list, and then app repo and dot find one, okay, and then here at the rate path variable id int id, okay, blah blah blah, okay. Now and then go to index, and here some missing, okay, yes, ref review, and then dollar list dot id and then another paste, and then delete delete, and then delete, and then edit, list id, okay, redeploy. Too much hard. Oh, okay. View. What is this? Okay, this is change. View model. View dot blah blah blah. Get method. Oh, sorry. Some missing. View. View, and then edit. Controller. This is not required. This is a get method, and okay, get method done. Redeploy. View blah blah blah, and then back, id for first name, back, okay. And then delete. See, delete is very simple. Just delete. Just delete. Close and right mouse click and paste and just delete and delete id after delete then redirect. Now this is not required, it's not necessary, and delete. Done. Delete. Redeploy. Refresh. Delete. Perfect. And last one, delete. Edit. So ready. Here is a get method. View. Okay. Control C. Paste and edit blah blah blah, 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 and go edit, and now create a edit page. Right mouse click new and create a edit page, edit.csv, and index, just click copy and edit, and then okay, no problem, copy and then paste. It's not required. Table, and then yes, okay, no problem, yes, I will not be issue, and copy, and here is some, and id is also required. id, okay, id and value $list dot id. Now copy and last paste FIRST first, and then paste last name. First name, last name, blah blah blah. Okay. And go to edit and edit blah blah blah. Okay. Now, okay, redeploy. Refresh. Edit. This is not a big issue. Edit index and edit and go to here. Edit. Okay. Deploy. Okay, no, edit. First name Amit, last name Amit. Okay, for ID for blah blah blah. Okay, and then next, how to update. Sometime how to update. Okay, not required update query. Oh, just PR. Not required update query. That time you got some trick system. Trick. Okay, here is a user, and now if okay, string paste in ID and his ID. Okay. Sorry. ID string. Sorry. Big mistake. String and ID dot is empty, not empty case, and that time you can use just and that time you can use users type car equals to and app users app report dot find by 1 and integer parse int id. If blah blah blah. Not empty, then is update. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay, no problem. Now let's start. Okay, redeploy. I hope okay. Amit Arya. Amit Rai. Amit Rai. Perfect. And then Gopal Smith. Sometime you're missing request is ID is blah blah blah. Okay, that time you get some trick. Okay, to go and index like this and just hidden and id value is just empty. Okay, and then edit is not required. It's not required here. Redeploy, stop, redeploy. Okay, edit. Amit Arya, submit. Amit Arya, and now Manoj Muktam. Manoj Muktam. Look, view. Okay, no problem. Back, delete. Okay, edit. Manoj Muktam. Amit Biswas. Thank you, and subscribe my channel, YouTube Ram Pukar. This is my channel. Please subscribe, and please no, don't any hesitation. Send comment and something. Okay, have a nice good night.